Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our sixth tutorial on Canva. Now in this channel you can find every kind of information videos related to mobile phone softwares are available. So please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new on our channel. So in this tutorial I will teach you how to create videos from Canva and in which format you can create videos from here. So first of all, I click onto the video button, and here you can say if you are creating videos. Then you can see here are different templates available already. So I am creating a blank for your easiness. So this is a basically a blank sheet. So now we will add our favorite designs. If you are looking for without any issue, without any copyrights claim videos, then you can create your own videos in this way. So now I select some designs and edit them. If you want to use these videos on YouTube, then make sure your voiceover is available with these videos, then there is no copyright issue on YouTube. So I hope you understand very well what I want to teach you. Here you can paste some text. You can also add your own picture or your own video on this side and also paste your own text here. If you want to change this, simply click onto the replace button and also select all the text and write here your own text. So let's see. Now here is not. You can select your favorite picture from your gallery and add here. So I hope you understand. And also we can create every kind of videos from here. From Canva we can create Facebook video, Instagram video, Facebook ads video, TikTok videos, Pinterest videos, every kind of videos we can create from here. Now you can see the templates for Facebook videos. These are available if you use onto some platform like YouTube, Facebook, then there is need to add your voiceover is necessary. These are video gift, video collabs, YouTube video ads, slideshow video, Instagram reels video, means every kind of videos you can create from this software. This is very beautiful and best software. So I hope you like the video. So please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for further updates. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please keep in touch with us. Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.